Car accidents are the leading cause of death among those ages 5 to 35 in the U.S. Over half of crash victims are unrestrained at the time of their death. Seatbelts are the single most effective means of reducing the risk of death in a crash and lower injury and death rates by 50%. Seatbelts have saved nearly 300,000 lives since 1975 in the U.S. alone. Regardless of your age, your destination, or your location in the car, you should always buckle up. Your life could be saved by simply fastening your seatbelt.